The Traxos is a mountable spreader, which was designed for de-icing in smaller municipal areas. A professional Traxos spreader is available for any tractor, big or small. Thanks to simple installation and fast loading of the spreader, the Traxos is ready for use in no time. The intuitive operation via the manual or electronic control is advantageous for both semi-professional and professional users. The unit is mounted to tractors with 3-point linkage. With the optional hydraulic self-loader, the driver can independently load the spreader with the spreading material and immediately begin working. The V-shaped hopper is made of steel and features high-quality corrosion protection. Standard features include parking stands for the spreader. The spreading material can be protected with the optional tarpaulin. The open auger, which is coiled left and right, allows for precise metering of the spreading material. The auger cover is included. The protective grill is included for the 0.5, 0.8 and 0.9 cubic meter sizes. Wet salt equipment is available for both the Traxos 1.2 cubic meter and 1.5 cubic meter. The 430-liter brine tank is made of impact-resistant polyethylene and features a level indicator. Because the Traxos can handle abrasive agents as well as dry and wet salt, it is extremely versatile. The brine tank is filled and emptied using a Storz C coupling with an integrated filter as well as via the upper tank closure. The brine pump with dry running protection is a 100-liter per minute gear pump. With automatic speed reduction of the auger, this ensures that when switching to wet salt, the performance of the spreader is not hindered. The Traxos is driven via the tractor hydraulics. The Traxos can be set manually via the hydraulic valve or with the path-dependent electronic control panel. The spreading widths from 2.0 to 6.0, as well as the spreading densities between 5 grams per square meter and 40 grams per square meter for thawing agents, and between 40 grams per square meter and 300 grams per square meter for gritting agents, are infinitely variable.